Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this gorgeous 2-bedroom mid-mews property over on Waterslea in Eccles. So as you can see to the front, we've got off-road parking, got the garden space, which does all belong to this house. There's a shared driveway, so the right side is for next door, and you've got access to the ginnel around the back. So as we enter the property, we've got this gorgeous porch area and heading through into this beautiful living space with the media wall. Got the spotlights on the stairs. It's completely modernised throughout in this property. Got the bay window to the front. Show you from another angle. Everything in the property has been done in top quality to a really high spec, so it is ready to move straight into. You won't have to touch a thing. Got some understairs storage there, and as we head through to the kitchen, got again a fantastic space. All fitted wall and base units. Got your integrated oven and electric hob, and then a small space for dining to the back. Just show you again, you have got the under counter lights, and just by pressing the buttons on the counters you also turn on the bottom lights there. Now as we head out to the back, you've got a decked area and a lawn area. It's really nice and private back here, super quiet. Got a shed at the rear for storage, and then a gate out onto the ginnel. It's a beautiful property inside and out. No doubt someone will snap it up super quickly. Now as we head on upstairs, you'll find two really good sized double bedrooms, a gorgeous 3-piece bathroom. So you've got the runner up the stairs, and you'll see the spotlights as we head up. So to the back of the property, we've got this fitted 3-piece bathroom suite. Again, really modern in here, super space. Got the handrail behind the door. Through to the second bedroom, which again, a fantastic space. Loads of space for additional furniture, as well as a double bed. And through to the master bedroom, which again, fits a double bed and really spacious wardrobes. Has also got storage there. Properties like this don't stick around for long, so if you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.